Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Orangeville, local and long-distance movers near me. Finding a trustworthy and cheap Orangeville moving company will provide you with the help you need. 3 Movers offers both local and long-distance moving services with plenty of customizable options. We know how to make sure you get the right help you need no matter what type of move you have. Our team can help you relocate your family, your business, or anything else. Finding the right long-distance moving services from us with choices such as packing services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Whether your long-distance move will take you 100 miles away or 2,000 miles away, we can help. Our team knows how to make moving easier. It's not easy to relocate your family or business. Let us take some of that stress out of the process. A Canada moving company might seem unnecessary for a local move. The shorter distance may have you fooled into thinking you can do it all on your own. If you try to take on the move without help, you'll be responsible for all the heavy lifting. 3 Movers streamlines the entire process to ensure you get to your new location faster. We not only take over the heavy lifting for you, but we also save you a ton of time on your local move. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Orangeville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.